Welcome back to the channel. It's a science classroom. Heading down to Oceania, to the beautiful South Pacific country of Vanuatu, a beautiful collection of around 80 islands with around 330,000 people on this amazing part of the planet. This earthquake occurred on July 25th, 2026 at 7:37 a.m. local time in Vanuatu, with a depth under the ocean surface of 28 miles, which puts it as a shallow focus earthquake with an epicenter of 14.1 degrees south and 166.5 degrees east, placing it in the Coral Sea just north of the larger island Espiritu Santo, which is part of Vanuatu, and south of the very small islands called the Torres Islands. The southernmost island in this chain is called Toga. Now, to the east of this epicenter are the Banks Islands. There are two, Vanuatu in the north and Gava Island in the south. Now, at the time of writing this video, there was a foreshock, a 5.1, about 20 minutes before the main shock, the 6.0. And then a 2-hour delay or lag time, and there was a 5.0 aftershock in the same region and the same depth. Now, tectonically, this 6.0 earthquake was caused by the subduction of the Indo-Australian major plate, subducting along the New Hebrides Trench and subducting under a small microplate called the New Hebrides Plate. And this is sandwiched in between the Indo-Australian plate and the Pacific Plate to the north. Now, this is a complex region of tectonics around Vanuatu and Fiji to the east, and this is where we have these two major plates converging around this somewhat floating and stuck in between microplate, which is the New Hebrides Plate. And to the north we have the Hazelholme extensional zone, which is an area of divergence. Then we have to the east the Fiji Basin Spreading Center, again an area where the crust is diverging. Now, as you can see from this image produced by the USGS in regards to the area's seismic history, looking at the size of the circles and the color denoting the depth and the magnitude. So the white circles are the shallow earthquakes from 0 to 70 kilometers below the Earth's surface, and a gray or darker colored circles would be the deeper, more intermediate or deep earthquakes that occurred in the area. And you see very clearly the concentration around the plate boundaries, in this case the Indo-Australian subducting underneath the New Hebrides microplate